Good morning, guys. Today we're going to Mile 12 Market. We'll see if we can make K2 Market as well. I'm with my darling sister-in-law. Auntie So you can see that we are market ready. Let's go.
So if you have many mouths to feed, just like we have right now, you need to buy food in bulk. Yes, you have to spend lots of money up front, but it is cheaper on the long run. Mile 12 Market is known for tomatoes, peppers, onions, and other vegetables. It's the market where all the vegetables that come down from northern Nigeria, where they are cultivated, are offloaded. It is the best market for buying these vegetables in bulk in Lagos, Nigeria. We just came into Lagos, and it's important that we go and buy tomatoes because we'll be using tomatoes a lot during our stay in Nigeria. Normally, I would cut off everything that happened on the way to the market and take you straight to the market, but while editing this video, there were a few things that happened on our way to the market, and I felt that some people would like to see those, so I left them in the video for your entertainment. You may also learn a few things from those, who knows? But that means that I may have to make a part 2 of this video if it becomes too long. You can skip ahead if you do not want to see the en route event. Enjoy! Sea Road, Express Road. Express Road.
The road is bad.
Specially made, no caffeine, no alcohol, no preservatives, and definitely no refined sugar.
Very bad road.
Healthy lifestyle, everyone health drink, the dose of milk-free fun.
If you can drive here, you can drive anywhere in the world, or maybe in Russia. Russians drive like us, crazy Russian drivers.
Where everything rush.
That is
it. Car road is free.
What you doing here? What you doing here? Very close. Oh, what you doing here? Wow.
I want for that under. Join them.
I can join. Eh? So, my boss. My boss. Daddy, this road is so damn bad. Down literally, it on. Another opportunity. Okay, to me.
Get to market inside.
Aye, yeah.
What do you mean I join? Come on, listen.
Because ever I was in Ugo Express. Good.
Yeah, I go on Shana Lagos. Paimano, Jimmy, Paimano Zais. Next on the bus. I enjoy
So the boss.
I enjoy crude.
Oh my banana ton. Or fly over here. Or level ton. Yeah, I am not left. Because the market what fair where just a ton no.
And then you are down and now.
Baby.
Everyone at the break and the foot.
Okay, now the foot pedestrian bridge. Never because I from a Google map.
Whatever.
Yeah, somewhere. I may you turn somewhere. For one, what is it? Okay, see about it.
You buy no crude.
Auntie Makosa.
I'm on the first one.
Maton on the first one.
Turn on the time. You go.
How about this my 12 market?
Ebenina.
Okay, my neighbor na park motor. Okay.
I don't never go down. I forgot boss.
Yeah. Give me na ton konant. Eba.
So I join them.
Where you got on? Okay.
So bye. What's up?
Is it a gambling thing? No, it's not.
Eba, right. What an aba kweba. I'm to meet them.
Yeah.
Wherever
about 300 naira, mama. It's a pleasure.
Go now, go. What of that rice? Where they there? Okay, we they look for you. We say wait them now. Then maybe today na free day. We they wonder whether today na free day. Hey, what Sorry ma. Yeah, man, no wine none. Hey, in Nigeria, I blame you. Everybody can have a motor better. We could come out to Nigerian for road. Kai, gamana. Where?
You go for like this.
I go use bag. Okay.
Go for like this.
Yeah, I was never one.
If I don't use the when I go to sleep like you go.
This water, there's water here. And then this bath. Abi? I need the bucket. Get that.
I want bucket, not bath. What can you go bath?
Can't get come.
Bath. Oh, I don't need it.
Mama said. You need the mama. Yam promo. What do you call them? Yam promo.
If you buy 20,
I show your face.
Don't show my face.
Okay.
If you buy 20, collect 25. If you buy 50, collect 60. That's it. If you buy 100, collect 120.
Wow, yam promo. What if you cheat me in the process of buying the 50?
Because you see the discount where you know say yam with them.
Is there online the discount?
The discount there online now. So go them my organ. I need to give you the thing. If you the yam with they sell like 1,000, it will sell for you like 700. If you see, don't come out 300. 300.
That's good. That's a good promo. I like that phrase. Yam promo.
Odiam don't finish. Now new yam day now, and a good one. One will be like Odiam.
You dey tell me say Odiam no dey this market now.
Odiam day, it too cost. They know they do promo.
But it is sweet now. It's worth it now.
Even the new yam sell where they sweet like Odiam day.
Where did they sell the tomato? Inside here.
Nah, inside market. So. The new yam will be like Odiam day.
Okay, new yam will be like Odiam. How manage?
Because now they turn to Odiam. And now Benue yam.
Benue, yeah. Now Benue people get yam.
Now them get that yam. And now Igbo they call Iyo.
Yam. Yes. That one where you go, where you put palm oil on top.
Yes.
Correct.
Pure white.
Yes.
That one.
And if you can do pounded yam. The correct one.
Yes, the correct one. When you come
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Which one? The green one. That green one. Where they? Okay.
Okay. Alright, where you are calling? This is inside tomato.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Right.
Madam, I show you.
That's not yam promo. The guy is. Yeah. All my whole are cold. Nenda nebu Hey. About the full-fledged market, sir. No, not you. That is I'm no more there. Okay, better side the other one. Can I left side maybe no up talan up to you actually but they go to shop us also say pepper, only pepper. Wow. Only pepper can demand dry pepper for that market. This is a real wholesale market.
see another pepper shop. Pepper everywhere. Pepper, hey, pepper. What's that? Kiki! Hey! Madre mía! Yak! Chineke mo!
Are you coming out of the mountain?
Yes. Hey. Onion. Okay, wait, so yes, go slow here. Sorry.
Auntie, with Maggie quality tomatoes.
No. Hey.
Yeah, I'm taking that tomorrow.
You want appear? They go carry you go TV, eh?
Oh my God, I'm all for that. Like,
Abaki, make you don't touch me like that again. I be your memun, I be your amaria, or what did they call up? You want to talk to me?
Well, you know if you buy tomato, 32 Lenny.
32 what? What did they speak now? When I know they ask person whether they understand Yoruba. Tomato. Now you they sell this one? Alahaji. What will be your name? Alahaji what? Suleiman. Yeah. How much for one?